This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. What if the way you eat almonds is quietly reducing their benefits, or even making them harder to digest? Most people eat almonds daily, but very few realize that soaked, raw, and roasted almonds behave very differently inside the body. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we are breaking down the science of almonds so you understand exactly which form gives you the most nutrition and which one may not be ideal in certain situations. Almonds are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available, packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, magnesium, fiber, and plant-based protein. Regular consumption has been linked to better heart health, improved brain function, and more stable blood sugar levels. However, there is one important factor most people overlook. The form in which you eat almonds can significantly influence how well your body absorbs these nutrients. Now, let us explore each type in detail. First, raw almonds. The natural state. Raw almonds are the most natural and unprocessed form. They retain their full nutrient profile, including natural enzymes, intact fiber, and a high concentration of antioxidants. However, they also contain phytic acid, a natural compound known as an anti-nutrient. Phytic acid can bind to essential minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium, which may slightly reduce their absorption in the body. This does not mean raw almonds are harmful. For most healthy individuals who consume a balanced diet, this effect is usually not significant. Raw almonds still offer excellent nutritional value and are convenient for daily snacking. That said, they can be slightly harder to digest, especially for people with sensitive digestion, and in some cases may lead to mild bloating or discomfort. Now, soaked almonds, the traditional method. Soaking almonds overnight changes their nutritional behavior in a meaningful way. When almonds are soaked, enzyme activity is enhanced and the level of phytic acid is reduced. This makes the nutrients more bioavailable and easier for the body to absorb. This traditional practice has been recommended in systems like Ayurveda for centuries. After soaking, the outer brown skin becomes soft and easy to remove. This skin contains tannins, which can interfere with nutrient absorption. Removing it further improves digestibility. As a result, soaked almonds are gentler on the digestive system and allow better utilization of minerals. This method is especially beneficial for individuals with weaker digestion, those who frequently experience bloating, as well as children and older adults. To prepare them properly, almonds should be soaked in water for 8 to 12 hours, preferably overnight. In the morning, the skin can be peeled off, and the almonds are best consumed on an empty stomach. Next, roasted almonds. Taste versus nutrition. Roasted almonds are widely preferred for their taste and crunch, but heat exposure alters their nutritional profile. During roasting, some antioxidants are reduced, and vitamin E, which is sensitive to heat, may degrade slightly. Additionally, the healthy fats in almonds can oxidize when exposed to high temperatures, especially if roasted improperly. Commercially roasted almonds often introduce additional concerns. Many are prepared using refined oils and contain high amounts of added salt. This can reduce their health benefits and may contribute to excess sodium intake. However, not all roasting methods are equally harmful. Dry roasting at lower temperatures preserves most of the nutrients. If you prefer roasted almonds, choosing minimally processed, dry roasted versions is a more balanced approach. Now, the clear comparison. When comparing all three forms, soaked almonds generally offer the best combination of digestibility and nutrient absorption. Raw almonds remain a good option for convenience and still provide substantial health benefits. Roasted almonds can be included occasionally, especially if they are dry roasted. For most individuals, a daily intake of 5 to 10 almonds is sufficient to gain health benefits. Eat them in the morning, particularly soaked on an empty stomach. Although almonds are generally safe, certain individuals should exercise caution. Those who experience frequent bloating or digestive issues may need to limit their intake or prefer soaked versions. Individuals prone to kidney stones should also be mindful, as almonds contain oxalates. Almonds are a powerful addition to any diet, but the way they are consumed determines how beneficial they truly are. If this changed the way you look at almonds, consider subscribing to the Mindhunters for more such nutrition tips. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.